In this video, I am going to show you 10 ways to cope with the cost of living crisis. The cost of living crisis in the world has had a huge impact on so many of us. So, if you're struggling with the money at the moment, here are 10 things you can do to keep up with the rising prices.
2022 has seen the highest rates of inflation for 40 years. A lot of daily essentials cost noticeably more now than they did a year ago. Number 1. Ask for a pay rise at your part-time job. As we referenced before, one of the causes of the cost of living crisis is that people's earnings aren't generally increasing enough to keep up with inflation. So, if you've got a part-time job and haven't yet had a pay rise this year, ask your employer if your earnings could increase in line with inflation. Likewise, ensure that you are most certainly getting compensated the lowest pay permitted by law. Number 2. Try ways to make money from home. If you're looking for more ways to make money, you could consider doing easy tasks from home that earn you cash in your spare time. These include selling stuff on Amazon and eBay, or working as a virtual assistant, trade in stocks, or even renting out your home, like me. Number 3. Sell things you no longer need. Get a heated blanket for winter. As energy bills continue to rise, keeping up with the cost of living over winter will be challenging. To avoid putting the heating on around the house too often, you could buy a heated blanket. Number 5. Have at least one no-spend day each week. Having a no-spend day is both an incredibly simple and surprisingly difficult way of saving money. Number 6. Learn how to upload videos on YouTube channel, and start earning passive income. Number 7. Stop smoking, or doing drugs. If you're a smoker, you could be burning $2,000 a year or more to fuel your habit. Number 8. Don't shop when you're hungry. It might make sense to go shopping when you fancy picking up dinner, but that's a surefire way to spend more than you need, or even want, to. Number 9. Consider using a credit card installment plan. Actually, in an ideal world, you would be able to pay off your credit card balance in full. However, during inflation crisis, doing so is considered smart.
Number 10. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself means making small, continual improvements that enable you to do more, grow more, and love more. These little improvements can lead to immediate opportunities and long-term positive change. They can help you earn more money, start working from home, discover the career you always wanted, follow your dreams, and uncover hobbies that fill you with joy. And they'll improve your health and relationships, make you a more interesting person, and lead to a better life. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to press the like button if you liked the video, and subscribe on my channel for the next video.